Hi everyone, this is Abhij Khan, your real estate broker. Today I'm in Milton on Louis Honora and Termaine. Very fine new neighborhood, close to all amenities, Highway 401, 403, 407, Milton District Hospital, shopping, school, public transport. You get on a walking distance or on a very short drive. It's a very fine location. I'll give you a tour of this beautiful semi-detached house and I'll give you detail after. Let's go inside. You see covered porch, it's beautiful, double door entry. Look at this, it looks beautiful. Double door entry, big foyer with tiles. You see the window on the right side. Very nice. For semi-detached house, I would say amazing. Here is coat closet, conventional, reasonable size. Here is powder room with window, very conventional, but nice. So, as soon you come here, you see sitting area, very nice, and it's quite a good size. They have a 3-seater here, 1-seater. Easily you can put a love seat here. Here is a big window. Then you come here, you see this beautiful dining area. Yes, easily 8 chairs or 12 chairs. Dining table easily fits here. Very nice. And here's the kitchen. Very well upgraded kitchen. Beautiful granite work, deep sink, good quality backsplash, hood. You see the cabinet size. Looks so beautiful. Very nice. And then here you see great room. This great room size is big considering it's a semi-detached house, just over or 2,000 square feet. Windows, 9-foot ceiling, pot lights, fireplace, sliding patio door. Very nice. Now let's go upstairs. The wooden staircase. So as soon you come upstairs, the feel like big house, big detached house. If you see landing area, I wish we have a window here, but it's semi-detached, can't be. So we'll start from room number 1. As soon you come upstairs on the right side, look at the size of the room. Look at the window style. Very bright, big room. You can put queen bed, you can put even a king bed here, and study table, dressing, as they have a Chester here. And here is closet. Look at the size, good size. Then see this is what I'm telling you. On the right side, room number 2, very reasonable size, good size rather, I would say. Queen bed, Chester, study table, fantastic. And here is closet, very reasonable, good size. Then from here, this main washroom, although it's a single sink, but countertop is bigger. You can always make double sink if you want to. Here is the tub. You can easily convert into standing shower by putting the glass here, or lots of people, they don't like tubs anymore. You can take this tub off and have a standing shower. Fantastic, nice window. Then you come to this room. Look at the size of this room. Again, good size. Queen bed, king bed, fix here. Very good size. Very bright. You see how the light is coming. And here is closet. Again, good size closet. Fantastic. Now the big one. As soon as you enter, on the left side, walk-in closet, his, and then on the right side is her. How I know his and her? Her is bigger one. So look at the master bedroom size. King bed. They have a chester here, dressing table here. They have a chair there. They have a side tables, and you see lots of space. Good sized window, and here is ensuite. Look at the size of this washroom. Big size, double window on a corner unit. This is the advantage of corner unit. Separate standing shower. You can put the glass if you want to, but lots of people prefer curtain. Here is single sink. Looks nice, beautiful, very good tiles. Four bedrooms, good size, rather very good size, very bright with big windows and two full washrooms. Good quality finish. Let's go to basement. Let me give you a tour just to show you what's the opportunity. Let's go. Carpeted staircase. Look at this. Very good ceiling height. Half finished. They actually give you concept of gym, right? So you have opportunity to do the partitioning. You want to make 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and this area is unfinished area, which is for laundry, or you can use that as storage. And here is big cold room. Look at the size of this cold room. Hope you like the home tour. 4 bedroom, 2 full washroom, finished basement, living room, great room, real open concept house. Now I'm standing this is the actual house which is being built. We can't go inside. Structure is built, and inside now they are finishing the house. You still have opportunity. If you buy this house, you can do the upgrades in design center. Closing is coming in October 2025. Asking price is $1.1 million. I would say it's a very good price considering this is the Louis Sonra. There you see the Tremaine Road, escarpments. You see the lot is big. You will have lots of space on your right side. Public transport, amenities, the Milton District Hospital. As I mentioned, highways 401, 403, 407. Amazing location. If you're interested, give me a call. I have so many other projects like this in Oakville, Milton, Burlington, Mississauga, Greater Toronto area, Hamilton region, Niagara region, Brant region. If you want to buy pre-construction or resale properties, I have options for you. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments. If you want to sell your property, I can list, make a home tour like this, and present in front of right of people to get you top dollars. Give me a call to discuss your options. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.